Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to play Roblox on school Chromebook. Alright, let's begin. To play Roblox on a school Chromebook, open your internet browser and go to the website sybau.alcrb.ru. This site bypasses restrictions on school Chromebooks, allowing you to access games and apps that are normally blocked. Once the site loads, look at the top right-hand corner for the Games section and click on it. You'll be taken to a screen where Roblox should appear at the top. If you don't see it, use the search box at the top and type Roblox. Once it appears, click on it to launch the game. The website will then load Roblox, and you can start playing on your school Chromebook without any restrictions. This method is quick, easy, and works reliably for accessing Roblox in a restricted environment. So that's basically how you can play Roblox on school Chromebook. That's it for this video. Thanks.